got my boy Clint DZ in the place to be. What's happening, Clint? Right on, man. Came through. I got my boy Player J right here. How you doing, James? They came through to help me work on this beast today, and they are going to help me install the demon hood. So here's the hood, guys. I was too excited. I wanted to get it on camera, but I just freaking pulled it out the box, no camera in hand, and I had to inspect it for damages. But look at the texture on it is pretty nice. I would think most guys that receive this hood that's made out of aircraft aluminum, what they're say from Vicrez, they probably just keep it like this and use that, because I mean that looks pretty good for a satin wrap. I mean, I wouldn't think that they would wrap it after this, but
it looks like satin wrap.
Doesn't it look like it?
Yeah. And you know what's cool about this too? You can probably put like a ceramic coating on it, give it a nice little protection.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
So in my case though, I've seen them clear. So I want to try to possibly, it depends on how we feel today, wrap it in a clear black. So today we're gonna pop this thing on the beast over there, and we're gonna see how this satin look looks on it. So let's go ahead and get it. Yeah, we got Tatted Wig and we got Big Wig on his way.
Is Brian coming?
Yeah, he's coming right now. All right, guys. So Clint just made me aware that these are one-time use. So once they break, they're done.
The little butterfly on there.
Yeah.
See that?
Oh yeah, it's just gonna snap.
Yeah, it's a one-time use.
Okay, gotcha. So we're getting
might be able to be used that one though.
Dodge is still open, right? Parts department?
Yes.
Well, I don't need to do it. We can do it later.
Get the Christmas trees.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
Or Napa.
Just snapping.
Oh, okay.
Done. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Okay, I'll switch your spots. Oh yeah, done.
Done deal.
Done deal.
You guys thinking about getting a Dodge? This is one of the things that you get, the beautiful option, the cup holder.
Yeah, you get a cup holder, right? Nice. Where's the you know, the plastic ones don't work better, James?
Huh?
Oh, he's got the, look at that, he's got that special pry tool.
Where did the other one drop in?
Fell in the intake.
I just grabbed it.
You just grabbed it from the intake?
Oh, it was right here.
Yeah, this is
Cool. All right. So I guess we can just lay that down for later. Okay, so there's the what? These are the windshield sprayers.
yeah, right here.
All right, Clint DZ, you're a Dodge man. How you get them out?
Okay, we gotta take these clips off right here. And
No.
then and those
Just pop right out.
I think we gotta slide those off, or we gotta take it from here.
Just no, leave the bolts and just break them loose. That's all. Go ahead. There, leave it there. All right. Now your side, my friend. Then you just. Yeah. Bam, perfect. No, other side. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Keep going. All right, hold. All right, now the clips on those. All right. James is loose. We got one more left. Wiggle a little bit.
Okay, you guys stop. There we go. Thank you.
Bam.
It was cockeyed. It wasn't letting me.
All right, I'm gonna let go. You guys got it? All right, here we go. They got the hood off.
I don't know. This is dope.
Right here, right here, right here.
Oh my.
All right. Okay, there it is. I think I'm gonna hang it. I don't even think I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna hang it.
Hang it and put the Hellcat sticker on top of it.
Yeah, that'd be sick. Yep. This one, nah, I'm not putting the Hellcat. Oh, maybe I'll put the one.
If you're hanging it.
Yeah. Yeah. If I. Oh yeah, yeah. The black one, huh?
Yeah, if you're hanging it, put a sticker on it.
Yeah.
So let people know what it is.
It'll be easier if we remove the clips and put it on now.
That's what I mentioned earlier.
Right on, man. A good guy. Both of you. Awesome. I'm putting that on. Get the wife is jealous of you guys. Oh, it's okay.
It's not gay as long as there's eye contact.
Oh, we can't say that nowadays.
What?
All this freaking being freaking up their asses about.
And then you tell them, and then they say something, be like, oh yeah, my buddy's actually gay.
Oh, here's a bolt. Here's one bolt for you. Here. Hey.
Hold on.
Because you gotta get it.
Hold on, I got it. You hold it right there, James?
I got it.
Okay.
Hold it.
Perfect. He has one. Here, James. I got it. I'm holding it, James. Go ahead. Try to line one up. There you go. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, start it. There you go. I don't
make it that tight, but you still gotta adjust it.
Yeah, you should loosen it.
It's not
That
really,
one so it can slide on it. There you go. Yeah, he needs the gap.
If it's too loose, every time you straighten it out, it'll just move. Is it working, James?
Lift it up.
Nice. Alright, so now we're just getting the hoses. We're gonna get the hoses clipped in.
Someone give me that thing.
Which thing?
That thing that's in here.
Oh, okay. It was over here. There you go. Do we need slack for him?
No, I just need to make sure.
Like this one ain't lining up or what?
Oh, that's it. Okay, let me pull this out. Plastic.
Just get a little plastic clip in there. Pain in the butt.
It's hard to get it in there.
Here he's giving you slack so you can. There you go. All right. These guys are professionals right here.
That's it.
Wait. Pull. You can't slide that over?
No. It should
Are you
slide
sure?
on the hose.
You gotta
It's just tight, huh?
Slide that hose, slide that pin over more.
It's clipped on there.
Can't be.
Yeah.
Can you unclip it with the screw flathead?
Yeah, because it's. Oh, look how it's doing that. See what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wait. I think James is right.
It's
Maybe it won't affect it.
It's just water.
Clint.
Oh.
The plastic hoses. Maybe it's okay.
Can you?
Ah, fuck it.
Yeah.
Like,
There you go.
There you go.
Ooh, it's
That
in.
one.
I
Perfect.
just don't like that.
How it pulled, yeah, that's fine.
Car goes fast, so you don't want it.
So,
No,
the bolts are still loose on the hinges,
Oh yeah, yeah.
and then we are going to shut it, see if it is close to latching, and then we'll do the final cinch down on it. Let me get some socket wrenches.
I need something to pinch it like a needle nose.
Needle nose.
Needle nose.
Right, buddy.
I'm not.
What's that other one? The prior.
It's all right here.
Oh,
Let me see what the children are doing.
Right here. Too much.
Where do you want this to be at?
They're slow. We're not going to latch it yet, right? Looks like a demon hood. They were saying that these hoods were We're not gonna latch it yet, right? Oh yeah. Looks like a demon hood. Careful, they were saying that these hoods would dent easy. Oh, it needs to come forward. Back and forward. And then it'll start timing, and that's when you know you're good. And if the screen goes black, just tap it. And so you keep seeing what you're filming. Because I just want to get it out there.
Is it recording?
Alright guys, so check it out. Here's the finished product. The demon hood, there it is. Looking good, I'm happy with it. The boys helped me out with the install. It's looking very good. Wasn't that hard to line up. Lined up pretty well, latch is very good. So that's one step closer to the end result here. So now we got, you know, we got the the red eye wing in the back. We got the Eibach lowering springs. We got the Demon hood. The only thing left is the wide body kit, guys. So we're gonna get this wide body on it, and once this wide body is on it, we can go ahead and start with the engine mods. With this car, we're only looking for about 800 rear wheel, and I think that'll be about it for this car. 800 rear wheel, that'll set this thing straight. We'll probably have to do a drive shaft on it, maybe a transmission upgrade, but otherwise than that, yeah, that's the route we're headed with this baby. This car pretty much fun and done. You know, it came pretty equipped with a lot of the goodies already. All we've done was, you know, dress it up a little bit to my liking, and as you can see, I mean, it looks really good. Look at it from the wing, the stance of it. It's got the nice stance to it. We got the stance on it, and yeah, I think the only thing it's missing now is the wide body kit. And once that wide body kit gets set up, we are good to go. All right.